Welcome. In this session, we'll do analysis for CUET PG examination, the past 4 years papers starting from 2022. So, over the analysis, we have found that there are certain important focus areas that you must cover before your CUET PG examination. The first one is the concepts related to biopsychology. So basics of neurotransmission, the process of neurotransmission, the major neurotransmitters, dopamine, GABA, serotonin are some of the important ones that are asked. Then coming on to the developmental psychology, Erikson's theory is important. Similarly, there are questions from moral development on Kohlberg. So the various psychosocial stages given by Erikson are extremely important. The pyramid must be remembered. Those are the questions which are based on rote learning. The next is under the clinical psychology, personality disorders are commonly asked. Differences between the various personality disorders and the basic traits. Also, in some of the papers, we have seen a specific case study where a clinical side is given and you are being asked to identify which of the personality disorder it is. Based on the social psychology, you have questions from leadership, from temperament, questions based on the basic theories pertaining to social psychology. Now, what are the common formats under which the questions are seen? Most of the questions are direct MCQs. Now, these define the basic definitions, questions based on rote learning, and these are specifically the basic questions that everyone can solve, most of the students can solve, and these are not merit determining questions. The merit determining questions are the questions which are based on either a statement or assertion reason, and these test the deeper knowledge and understanding. So let's say there can be a same question on neurotransmitter from the direct MCQ. However, there can be a similar question in assertion and reason. But if there is a question in assertion and reason and you have a good command over the conceptual clarity, then there is a higher chance that you can land up higher in the merit. Similarly, there are questions on match the list. Now, match the list is a popular kind of questions which are seen for CUET PG over the course of years, and these are pertaining mainly to the theory and the theorist. Again, from the clinical aspect, as I said, there are questions based on profiling also. So, distinguishing, let's say, an unjustified suspicion and grandiosity is one such example. Similarly, there are tools for projective analysis. So, Roche's ink blot test is one such example. Also, the effect of, let's say, the transmitters on the behavior of a person. So it could be the anxiety, the depression, and therefore these kind of aspects become really important. So some of the focus areas from clinical psychology that we have already discussed. The basic questions from memory learning are standard kind of questions which are usually asked in the foundational section based on a simple MCQ pattern. The questions from match list pertain mainly either to the psychologist and their contribution, the work of the psychologist, the books that they have published. Also, under the match list in the recent years, we have seen which psychological institution in India was established in which year, which department is known for which contribution and which journal publication. So that's again a little of research oriented aspect which has been asked recently. So those were some of the few concepts that we have of course discussed, and for more comprehensive understanding on the psychology section, refer to the PYQs that have been discussed under the section on practice. And then for the respective topics, specifically for the sections on research and the statistics, which are highly important for your masters when you are planning to clear your CUET PG. So those topics would be useful not only for your CUET PG but also in your master's syllabus. So ensure that you cover those topics very, very carefully. So these are some of the topics that you have that we have discussed and are really important. So prepare well, practice well. We'll be coming up with more important sessions before your examination. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.